Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by claiming a quiet corner and assessing light. Move noisy items out and measure a 5 to 4 square meter area so you know your framing limits. Once done, prioritize a decent microphone over an expensive camera because clear audio keeps viewers. Make sure to gather basic gear, camera or smartphone, tripod, shotgun or USB mic, and 2 lights. Transition now to positioning. You want soft, even light, and a background that reflects your channel. Next, set up lighting and sound with purpose. Place a key light about 45 degrees from your face and a weaker fill opposite it to remove harsh shadows. This gives a natural, 3-dimensional look. For sound, hang blankets or attach foam panels on reflective surfaces to cut reverb. This improves clarity dramatically. Position your camera at eye level. Choose 1080p and 24 to 50 frames per second, depending on motion, and lock exposure so brightness stays consistent during takes. Finally, frame, record, and polish the video. Frame with small headroom and place your eyes roughly 1/3 from the top of the frame so shots feel balanced. Keep the background tidy and branded. Record takes, then edit confidently. Remove pauses, add 3 to 5 B-roll clips, and apply lower thirds and simple color correction to look professional. If things go wrong, troubleshoot quickly. If you still hear echo, move the mic closer or activate a noise gate. Retest before publishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.